From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And good morning. A very snowy morning here in State College for sure. I'm Ryan Breton with your Campus Weather Service forecast. We have a burst of some moderate to heavy snow moving through central Pennsylvania this morning. Anywhere from Altoona into State College right now dealing with the snow, and it's been falling out there over the past couple of hours at a pretty decent clip. Although the back edge of this particular band is now coming up through Huntington and Lewistown, it's still snowing fairly hard here in State College this morning, reducing visibilities and causing some issues out there on the roadways and even the sidewalks. So walking to class this morning, definitely going to want to take it easy. In fact, we have winter weather advisories for all of central Pennsylvania, which have now been extended until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning due to the risk of some continued areas of snow today. In eastern Pennsylvania, it's a winter storm warning and then, yes, a blizzard warning for New York City up into New England. Those are the areas that will be measuring the snow in feet this week. In terms of what we dealt with here in State College, a snowy and icy morning as Brad Gay took this picture out on Beaver Avenue earlier as the snow is coming down, and it's still falling at a fairly good clip at this hour here in State College. This is the view from our Walker Building studios looking to the west. You can see plenty of snow on the camera this morning, and the same goes out at the Arboretum where the roads are certainly snow-covered and slick at this time. The temperature in State College, very cold, 16 degrees, and with the wind coming in around 10 miles per hour, it only feels like 4 degrees right now here in State College. Very cold around much of the state, and with that north to northeasterly wind, we're going to continue to bring the cold air through much of the state over the course of the next couple of days. Wind chill's also an issue out there this morning. I mentioned 4 in State College, but feeling like it's near or just below 0 in parts of north central Pennsylvania at the present time. What we're watching is for a developing area of low pressure. There really isn't too much that's very formidable out there right now. Some heavy rain and, again, periods of snow here in Pennsylvania, but it is down in here just off the Delmarva Peninsula where an area of low pressure is going to develop, rapidly strengthen, and move off the coast of New England, forming what will likely be known as the blizzard of 2015. Big area of high pressure supplying the cold out there this morning. Here comes our clipper, and that will reemerge off the coastline, forming our big nor'easter that is then going to head up into New England, providing blizzard conditions tonight into the day tomorrow. On the western edge of this, there will be some snow showers here in central PA, and that's why that winter weather advisory has been extended through tomorrow morning. But any steady snow will be reserved for New Jersey and far eastern Pennsylvania tonight into the day tomorrow before this storm really gets wound up and brings the Boston area several inches, even feet of snow tonight into the day tomorrow. So let's take a closer look at this on future weather. Again, periods of snow showers through the day today. Temperatures mainly in the 20s here in State College. Tonight, again, those snow showers will continue to be in place. They'll tend to fizzle out at times overnight, but as you see here, periods of snow from time to time. So really any time over the next 24 hours, there could be slick spots out there on the roadways. In terms of the snowfall that we're expecting, I think that in State College, most of this is on the ground, but there probably will be an additional 1 to 2 or 3 inches here in State College today and tonight. It is in eastern Pennsylvania, though, where the most substantial accumulation will occur. 8 inches, perhaps as high as a foot, or 14 inches in far eastern Pennsylvania along the New Jersey border, where they get into some of that heavy snow. So with that in mind, the storm impact here in State College, it's generally a medium impact. Snow removal will be an issue this morning, and as we've seen out there on the roadways, there are some travel issues as well. So your forecast for today looks this way: occasional snow, cold and windy, temperatures in the 20s, and with that gusty wind, it will feel like the single digits and teens for much of the day today. Our 7-day forecast then shows us that we have some quiet weather that follows during the middle part of the week, and then there is another storm system that we are watching for Thursday into Friday, and it could bring some light accumulating snow, especially later Thursday into the first part of Friday. And after that, the cold will stick around, and next week looks very cold, especially compared to the temperatures we have right now, which already are pretty cold. So that's my latest forecast for right now. We'll have updates for you throughout the day here at the Campus Weather Service.